There are three topics covered in this resource. The first is the internal brain structures, the second is the lobes of the brain, and the third are the regions of the cerebral cortex. Each topic has 8 Google Slide activities that you can use to help teach and reinforce the topic. This means that this resource contains a total of 24 different activities. For ease of explanation, I will use the internal brain structures to demonstrate the 8 different activity options. The first 3 options are all drag and drop activities. The first option, seen in the middle, involves dragging and dropping the labels of the structures onto the correct yellow boxes in the diagram. The second option, to the left, involves dragging and dropping the descriptions of the functions of the structures into the correct blue areas of the diagram. The third option, seen to the right, involves dragging and dropping both the labels as well as the descriptions onto the correct boxes in the diagram. The next 3 options involve filling in the text boxes instead of dragging and dropping. The first option, seen in the middle, allows students to type in the labels directly into the yellow text boxes. The option to the left allows students to type in the descriptions of the functions directly into the blue text boxes. And the third option to the right allows students to do both, type in the labels as well as type in the descriptions into the boxes of the diagram. The last 2 options are a mixture of the drag and drop and fill in the text boxes activities. The first option in the middle involves dragging and dropping the labels of the structures onto the correct yellow boxes in the diagram. Under this, students will type in a description of the function of that structure. The second option to the right is the reverse, where students drag and drop the descriptions into the blue boxes, above which they will then type in the label of that structure. Each of these 8 activities comes with their own answer key. You can use one or more activities for initial learning and then use others for review, reinforcement, or test prep. I've provided a teacher's instruction guide for some ideas for implementation.